are back with some more Christmas science. Woo! This is a Grinch-themed Christmas science experiment.
And look at his heart.
So this is our Grinch, and this is his heart. And you all know from the movie that the Grinch's heart is very small, which is the reason that he's not very Christmassy. He's not very nice either. But we're gonna fix that. Just like in the end of the movie, we are going to grow that Grinch's heart. Yes!
So at the end, do we put that?
Yes. So let's talk about our supplies. So we have a green balloon, and what I did is I blew it up, and then with a red Sharpie, I drew a heart on it, let it dry, and then I let it deflate. So don't tie it when you do that. So this is a clean bottle, and it doesn't matter what color, just that there's nothing in it. And Leo, what is this?
Vinegar.
Yes. And
Smelly vinegar. Oops.
do you know what this is?
Baking soda.
Baking soda. And I just poured our vinegar into this cup here. We need about
Here's your Grinch.
a little bit more than half a cup. So first step is to get our funnel. We also need a funnel, and put it in the balloon. So now I'm holding the balloon on here. I'm going to spoon in the baking soda. Leo, can you take a spoonful of that and put it into this white funnel? I'm gonna actually put a little bit more because it says between 2 and 3 tablespoons. Okay, so my funnel is empty now, because that's good because I'm gonna be using it for this. And my baking soda is done. Now I've already poured my vinegar into this cup. Leo, can you just hold the balloon like that? Please don't let it go. Got it? Okay.
Oh, it's mushy.
I'm going
I
to
like it.
hold, yeah, you can squeeze it. I'm going to hold the funnel on top of my bottle. And I'm going to be pouring in the vinegar.
Ooh.
Okay, so I have just over half a cup of vinegar in there.
Wait, well, we need our safety goggles?
Not for this one. All right, I'm going to bring you guys a bit closer now. All right, friends, so now what we're going to do is we have our vinegar in here. We have our baking soda in here. So what's going to happen? Actually, I'm going to ask you, what do you think is going to happen now?
His heart is going to get 3 times bigger.
But how is that going to happen?
By science!
It is by science. So the baking soda is a base and the vinegar is an acid. So when you combine them together, there is a reaction. And a byproduct of that reaction is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is what the gas that we breathe out. Okay, so now the carbon dioxide is going to the gas is going to fill this balloon. Do you think it's gonna work, Leo?
Yes.
Okay, so we stretch out our balloon and we gotta trap it over top. Okay, now hold on, Leo's gonna do the honors. Now we're going to dump in the baking soda. So lift the balloon up. Lift it up and shake it. What? Look at it! Do you see it? Do you see it filling up?
Yeah. How is it filling up that?
Hold the balloon, hold the balloon. Hold the base.
TV, are you seeing this?
Look at all the baking soda in there. Shake it,
The
shake
Grinch's
it.
heart.
Look at the Grinch's heart! It grew 3 times that day. We filled it up with Christmas cheer and carbon dioxide, and we blew up the Grinch's heart with science. Wow, can you believe it? Let's give it another shake and see if we can get more going up in there. Yeah, he's a bit bigger!
Yeah, I love you, Grinch. The Grinch is better.
I love this experiment. Leo, what did you think?
I think it was good.
All right, let's do our handshake, friends. We hope you try this out. Go ahead.
See if the Grinch.
Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, pop. Love you guys.
Bye.